are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So kids, today I am going to introduce you with app sound CVC words. A, P, app. A, P, app. App sound CVC words. So let's see some of those app sound CVC words. A, P, app.
A, P, app.
K, app, cap.
K, app, cap.
M, app, map.
M, app, map.
T, app, tap.
T, app, tap.
G, app, gap.
G, app, gap.
N, app, nap.
N, app, nap.
Children, now we will read app sound CVC words. A, P, app words. K, app, cap. K, app, cap. M, app, map. M, app, map. L, app, lab. L, app, lab. T, app, tap. T, app, tap. K, app, cap. G, app, gap. L, app, lab. M, app, map. N, app, nap. R, app, wrap. S, app, sap. T, app, tap. In this way, children, you have to read all these app sound words in your English textbook on page number 3. Kids, now we will see how to write them in our notebook. First, we will write the heading. App sound CVC words. Now we will draw the pictures and we will write the name. First, I am going to draw a cap. This is a cap. C-A-P, cap. Now we will draw a map. This is the border. And I am drawing the map of India. This is a rough map of India. M-A-P, map. Next, I am going to draw a tap. Tap gives us water, right? So, this is a tap. T-A-P, tap. The next one, I'm going to draw gap. This is a bridge and this is the ground level, pillars, and you can see here a gap was there. This is gap. G-A-P, gap. And now the last one, I'm going to draw a boy who is taking nap on the decks. See, this is a boy. And now see, he is taking nap. N-A-P, nap. So children, in this way you have to write and draw the pictures in your notebook and have to send a picture to your ma'am. Okay? Thank you for watching.